So you set up your website. You've made pages that showcase your business, the services you offer, and other content that's meant to get you discovered. But then a customer checks it out, clicks on a few links before they're suddenly not where you wanted them to be. A broken link can completely disrupt how a user interacts with your business and your website. They occur when, for whatever reason, a link to your website doesn't match with the actual page that you have. The causes can vary, ranging from a simple typo when entering a URL to more complex issues. This can be for internal links on your site that bring user to other pages, or external links from other sources, trying to send more traffic to your website. The consequences of a broken link fall into two categories: for customers and for Google. Seeing a big 404 error screen doesn't instill confidence in a potential customer. It can make them think that your site doesn't function, and maybe even your business isn't as professional as they thought it was. It'd be like if one of your shop's windows were boarded up. It doesn't look the nicest, it can deter customers, and it doesn't represent the type of business you actually are. And this isn't limited to just your customer's experience on your website. Your SEO and visibility on Google can also be harmed by a broken link. When a link breaks, it might take you a while to realize something is actually wrong. And it's the same way for Google. Since Google isn't constantly crawling and updating data in real time, it can still provide a broken link to your content. That means that until Google recrawls the page and determines whether or not the link is actually working, anyone looking to check out your shop could see a link that goes nowhere and think your site is broken. Then there's nothing stopping them from moving along to your competitor. Having a 404 error isn't the most damaging thing to your SEO overall, but it does create the potential for further SEO issues to spiral out of control. If some of your pages that appear at the top of Google search and are already backlinked by other sites return with 404 errors, then it can cause your SEO performance to fall, because Google will eventually re-index and stop promoting those links that were bringing you attention. So how can you make sure broken links don't harm your SEO? Well, by regularly checking for broken links, you'll hopefully be able to address any issues as they occur. Using tools like Google Search Console or others through your website provider can greatly help. Then you'll be able to implement fixes like creating redirects and making sure that everything is accessible. But issues are bound to happen. Links will break and customers will wonder why something might not be working. For the time until you can create a fix, your best bet is to create a friendly 404 page. A friendly 404 page doesn't look or feel like an error. It's a dedicated page on your website that appears when a link is broken and can't be redirected. So instead of an actual unresponsive result, customers will still reach your website and can still access your content through the navigation you already have. That way, you still have a chance for them to interact with your business instead of just moving on to the next result on Google. The designs of these pages try to avoid making it look like something has actually broken. Instead, they provide the user with some form of alternate content and typically prompt them with steps to take to find the content they should be looking for. For our clients here at AutoBoost, we create a bespoke, friendly 404 page that reflects their brand and tries to get the customer pointed back in the right direction. While the friendly 404 page can't guarantee that a customer doesn't abandon their search, it can help to give them a better chance of actually finding whatever they're looking for. Setting up a friendly 404 page and fixing broken links when they occur allow your website and your business to operate without issues. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay updated with more marketing tips for your business, be sure to click subscribe. And if you're interested in any of our marketing services for your auto repair shop, check out our website linked down below.